Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Onyx Food Hill. Today's video is going to be very simple as you're going to be learning how to make carrot oil at home. This is a very simple DIY you can make on your own at home. Carrot oil is very good for you. As you know, you can use it on your skin to clear dark spots. You can use it on your hair, give it a shiny look, and you can use it for other things apart from hair and skin. Basically, you need organic carrots for this, so I'll be using 1 carrot, and then you need the carrier oil, so I'll be using a virgin olive oil for this. You can use coconut oil, you can use sunflower oil, or whatever oil you think is best for you, so I'll be using virgin olive oil to make this carrot oil. And you also need a little bottle to store your carrot oil. You can use any container you have, but just make sure it is something that has a cover. When you're making your carrot oil, make sure you make it a little quantity so you won't be tempted to store this in the fridge, as you need it to be very natural. When you need it next time, you can make it again. That's just my little advice. Another thing you just need is your grater. You can use any type. So right today we are going to start making the carrot oil. Just keep watching. I'm just going to start by scraping the carrots. As I told you, I'll be using just 1 carrot, so I just had this extra one. I'm just going to keep it aside. Now go ahead and grate the carrots into a bowl. Now you're done grating the carrots, so you're going to set this aside. You are going to place your pan on a very low flame. Then add the virgin olive oil into it. There's no specific amount, just enough to cover the carrots you grated. Once your oil is heated, add the grated carrots into it. Make sure this is on a very low flame, and you're going to be stirring this as it cooks. This is going to sit on heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will notice the carrot has become soft and the oil is taking the yellowish color of the carrot. So you put up your heat and it is done. So you are going to leave this to get cool completely before you strain. Here we are going to strain the carrot oil using a strainer. So I will use a spoon to make sure I get the last drop. So I'll just set this aside, and the carrot oil is ready. To store the carrot oil, you need a bottle with a lid. So I have here 2 containers, so I just noticed this is very big, so I'll use the smaller container to store the carrot oil. So guys, our carrot oil is ready. It was pretty simple to make this. If you've tried this out, let me know what you think in the comments box. Subscribe, like my video, and also share this with your friends. Until next time, bye.